Hi everyone, welcome back to the Workplaze video tutorial. In this video, we will discuss the onboarding process within Workplaze. The onboarding process is quite crucial in any company. The purpose of onboarding is not only to introduce the company's vision and mission, standard operational procedures, and job descriptions, but more importantly, to ensure that hired employees understand and adapt to the company so they can generate maximum results. Without further ado, let's dive in. When we talk about onboarding, it's inevitably linked to the recruitment process. In Workplaze, you can carry out the recruitment process from planning, requests, to job postings all within one platform. Once your recruitment process is completed, you simply click Set as Employee, and the employee is instantly added to your company's employee database without needing to input their information again. Once everything is set, the employee can log into Workplaze and begin the onboarding process. As an administrator in Workplaze, you can determine what information you want to display and who is in charge of each onboarding process by accessing Settings, then Employee Settings, and then Onboarding. For the Personal In Charge checklist, you can find it in the Employee Checklist menu. There, you can assign a person in charge for each item, such as person in charge for laptops, cards ID, business cards, uniform, and everything, based on your company's regulation. Once everything is set, the onboarding process for new employees can begin. As a new employee, you can find this onboarding menu in the Reminder tab when you log in, or you can also find it in the Employee module. As a new employee, you can access all the necessary information such as your job description, your division colleagues, your office location, company announcements, and the rules you need to know about your company. Now let's move on to the New Hire survey. You can take the survey directly without switching menus by clicking Take Survey. Fill in your answers based on your onboarding experience. Next, go to the New Hire checklist, where you can check the status of your onboarding essentials, such as a laptop, card ID, uniform, and business name card, and see who is responsible for each item. Move on to Personal Info, where you can review and complete any required information without switching menus. Finally, check the New Hire training section to see the training sessions you need to attend during your onboarding period. Last but not least, as admin and employee, you can track your progress in completing this onboarding process on the progress bar in the onboarding menu. Additionally, as a new employee, you should know that our Workplace platform includes a help desk feature. You can access it under your profile picture on the top right. You can use the help desk to ask any questions and connect to the right people. Now that you have a structured onboarding program, your new employees will be productive in no time.